AP Bio. Good morning. I am using a different computer for a couple days, so sorry. The video quality is not ideal. But we'll be back to usual in a couple days. So, for today, a few things. First off, thank you for the quizzes. I will be looking through and grading those in the next couple days, so keep checking your grade for that. Speaking of which, I have also entered a couple grades. I just did your notebook and your protein synthesis packet. Please be checking the grades often, and I know you guys are usually pretty good about that anyway. But I had a pretty good system at school, so I could keep everything organized and make sure I got everything in. And it's definitely different now, so I might miss something. I can easily go back into my email or wherever you turned it in and get it in. But so just give me a heads up if something is missing or if you have a question on anything. Okay, if you can keep on it, and I'll try and keep on it. So we're not really confused in a couple weeks or something about some assignment. All right. And so do be looking for that assignments in. For the rest of the week, first up, I'm going to attach a note sheet. So we're starting our last section in the genetics unit, which is gene regulation. So we have this gene. If we make a protein, we express it. But why does that happen? Sometimes the gene gets turned on, sometimes it doesn't. And that's really where a lot of the research is right now. Because you can imagine if you could turn off a harmful gene or turn on a beneficial gene for a person, that would be amazing, right? Turn off a gene to a chronic genetic disease, wow, that would be cool. So we're going to talk about gene expression. We're mostly going to focus on prokaryotic gene expression because that's what we know the most about. Okay, they're so much easier to study. Eukaryotes are complex, and I will probably talk a little bit about eukaryotic gene control, but not as much as usual. I do have to cut some things in this new format, and so I probably will just talk a little about epigenetics with eukaryotic gene control just because that's so fascinating. So I'm going to attach a note sheet for you to print out. Okay, it's going to be like the note sheets that I usually give you. I would suggest formatting it so you have the 3 slides along the left and a little room on the right where it comes out with lines. You can print it out black and white or color, up to you. If you're short on color, it's not necessary. However, for some of you, if you don't have a printer or unable to do this in some way, I do have the notes and a couple other papers that you're going to need to print out for this section at school. Mr. Geyser does not want a ton of people going to school. However, if you are unable to get these materials that I'm going to be sending out, go to school and grab them, but grab everything when you're there. There's the same where the AP table was before. It's there, and there's 3 or 4 papers out there, and just grab one of everything if you do need to go to school, so you don't have to go back again. Okay. So that means I'm going to be posting some lecture videos. So probably one today, one tomorrow. And then, I might do I'm still debating, but maybe either a short little quizzes or maybe just a Google form to check for comprehension kind of from those notes to make sure you actually listen to the videos. Keep you honest on Friday. Okay. So notes and a little check on Friday is the plan for this week. And then we'll kind of dive into that a little bit more next week. All right. Have a great day, and keep me posted about anything that's going on. Keep turning stuff in, whatever it is you need to do, and have a great day. Bye.